Top drinks to protect and heal your nerves. Welcome to a world where beverages aren't just refreshing, but also packed with incredible health benefits. Have you ever thought about how the drinks you consume could impact your nervous system? Today, we're uncovering the best drinks to protect and heal your nerves, helping to reduce stress, ease nerve pain, and strengthen your body's intricate network, all while being delicious. The nervous system controls every movement, thought, and sensation. But like any complex system, it can suffer damage over time. What if the key to maintaining and repairing it wasn't in medication, but in the beverages you already enjoy? By combining scientific research with ancient wisdom, we'll explore powerful drinks that support nerve health, many of which can be found in your kitchen, fridge, or favorite cafe. Get ready for a fascinating journey filled with knowledge, rich flavors, and a bit of science-backed magic. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert health insights. Green tea, a powerful ally for nerve health. Our first contender on the list is none other than green tea, a beloved beverage enjoyed across cultures for centuries. Beyond its soothing taste, green tea is packed with compounds that make it a formidable supporter of nerve protection and repair. This ancient drink is loaded with antioxidants, particularly epigallocatechin galati, EGCG, a powerful component known for promoting nerve cell growth and accelerating the body's natural repair processes. But that's not all. Green tea also contains L-theanine, an amino acid capable of crossing the blood-brain barrier to enhance cognitive function. Studies suggest that L-theanine boosts levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor BDNF, a protein essential for fostering neuron growth and reinforcing existing nerve pathways. With every sip, green tea offers a natural way to strengthen and restore your nervous system, making it a simple yet effective addition to your daily routine. Green tea is a holistic boost for nerve and overall health. Beyond its remarkable nerve-repairing abilities, green tea stands out as a powerhouse for overall well-being. Regular consumption has been linked to enhanced brain function, weight management, and a reduced risk of heart disease and certain cancers. To truly reap its benefits, aim for 2 to 3 cups daily, ensuring a steady intake of EGCG and L-theanine. But why settle for the usual brew? Get creative, sip it hot for a calming ritual, enjoy it iced as a refreshing summer drink, or blend it into a smoothie with fruits, honey, and spinach for an extra nutrient kick. Looking to experiment further? Use green tea as a base for broths, infuse it into soups, or grind the leaves into a fine powder to enhance baked goods with a health-boosting twist. More than just a beverage, green tea is a versatile elixir that nourishes your nerves, supports your health, and elevates your culinary experiences. So steep, sip, and enjoy the endless benefits it brings. Turmeric latte, a golden elixir for nerve and overall health. Also known as golden milk, turmeric latte is more than just a comforting drink. It's a centuries-old Ayurvedic remedy packed with powerful health benefits. The key ingredient, turmeric, owes its magic to curcumin, a potent compound with remarkable anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier, promoting nerve regeneration, reducing oxidative stress, and calming inflammation within nerve cells. This makes turmeric latte an excellent choice for supporting nerve health and overall well-being. But the benefits don't stop there. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory effects extend beyond nerves, aiding in joint health, immune support, and digestion. To maximize its potency, combine turmeric with black pepper, which enhances curcumin absorption, and enjoy this golden elixir warm with milk or a dairy-free alternative. Whether sipped before bed for relaxation or as a morning boost, turmeric latte is a simple yet powerful addition to your wellness routine. Turmeric latte is more than just a warm and comforting drink. It's packed with benefits that go beyond nerve health. Its powerful anti-inflammatory properties can help fight conditions like heart disease, cancer, metabolic syndrome, and Alzheimer's. Meanwhile, its antioxidant effects protect against harmful free radicals and boost the body's natural defenses. While there's no fixed daily intake for turmeric, consuming around 1 to 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder per day can be beneficial, which can easily be achieved through a cup of turmeric latte. The traditional recipe consists of warm milk, any variety you prefer, turmeric, black pepper to enhance curcumin absorption, and a natural sweetener like honey or maple syrup. However, you can get creative by adding cinnamon, ginger, or even a touch of vanilla for a richer flavor. Whether sipped in the morning or before bed, turmeric latte is a simple and delicious way to nourish your body and support nerve health. Spices like cinnamon, ginger, or cardamom can bring a unique and flavorful twist to your turmeric latte, making each sip even more enjoyable. But the benefits of turmeric don't have to be limited to drinks. Its warm, slightly peppery taste can add depth to smoothies, brighten up soups, or even elevate a homemade salad dressing with a nutritious boost. This golden spice has been revered in traditional medicine for centuries, and now it can become a key player in your nerve health journey. Whether enjoyed as a soothing latte or incorporated into your meals, turmeric offers a simple yet powerful way to support nerve repair. So embrace its healing properties and let its vibrant goodness nourish your body from the inside out. 3. The spinach and kale smoothie is an excellent way to make your greens not only tasty, but incredibly beneficial for nerve health. These two leafy vegetables are packed with vital nutrients that support and protect your nervous system. Both spinach and kale are rich in vitamins B6, pyridoxine, and B9, folate, which are essential for creating myelin, the protective coating around your nerves that ensures smooth signal transmission. Without enough myelin, nerve damage becomes more likely. Kale also provides a generous amount of vitamin K, which has been linked to neuroprotection, while spinach is rich in magnesium, a mineral crucial for nerve function. Beyond supporting nerve health, this smoothie is loaded with fiber to aid digestion and promote fullness, as well as antioxidants that fight free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body. Adding these greens to your routine is an easy way to boost overall health while nurturing your nervous system. The beauty of a spinach and kale smoothie is its versatility, allowing you to adjust the flavors and ingredients to suit your preferences while providing all the necessary nutrients for nerve health. You can start with a simple 1-cup serving of packed spinach or kale and increase the quantity to match your nutritional goals. To enhance the taste, blend the greens with fruits like bananas, berries, or apples for a touch of sweetness. Add a squeeze of lemon or lime for a refreshing twist. For an extra boost of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, consider tossing in some chia or flax seeds. Plant-based milks such as almond, oat, or coconut will give the smoothie a creamy texture, while nut butter can add richness and a satisfying flavor. If you want to up the health benefits even further, throw in some turmeric or ginger for an anti-inflammatory spice kick. This spinach and kale smoothie is more than just a healthy breakfast or post-workout drink. It's a flavorful, dynamic way to support your nerve health while tantalizing your taste buds. The next drink on our nerve-boosting list is the vibrant orange carrot ginger juice, a flavorful blend that not only excites the taste buds, but also nurtures nerve health. Oranges are a key ingredient in this juice, known for their impressive vitamin C content. This powerful antioxidant shields neurons from oxidative stress, a leading cause of nerve damage. Additionally, vitamin C is vital for collagen production, which helps maintain the structure of blood vessels, skin, organs, and the protective sheaths of nerves. Carrots add another layer of goodness with their beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, essential for nerve repair and maintenance. Studies also indicate that vitamin A can speed up nerve regeneration after injury. Finally, the inclusion of ginger in this juice brings anti-inflammatory benefits, helping reduce inflammation that could affect your nerves, making this juice a perfect blend for both taste and nerve health. This juice is also thought to enhance blood circulation, ensuring that your nerves get the nourishment they need to function properly. Aside from supporting nerve health, orange carrot ginger juice is packed with other health benefits. Its antioxidants can strengthen the immune system, lower the risk of heart disease, and promote eye health. Additionally, ginger aids digestion, and the fiber content in carrots supports a healthy gut. The amount you should drink depends on your individual needs, but 1 8-ounce glass per day is a great starting point. For a fun twist, try adding fresh turmeric for an earthy touch and an extra boost of health benefits. A dash of ground cinnamon can offer a warming contrast to the juice's tangy flavors. You can even toss in fruits like apples or pears for added sweetness. In short, orange carrot ginger juice is a flavorful, health-packed drink that contributes to nerve health and more. So squeeze the oranges, grate the ginger, blend the carrots, and enjoy a vibrant glass of nourishment. Next up on our nerve-nourishing journey is the luxurious pomegranate juice. The vibrant ruby red seeds offer a tantalizing mix of sweet and tangy flavors, packed with a wealth of nutrients that can help prevent and repair nerve damage. The magic of pomegranate juice lies in its abundance of potent antioxidants, such as punicalagins and punicic acid, which effectively protect our cells from harmful free radicals. These free radicals contribute to oxidative stress, a key player in nerve damage, and pomegranate juice can strengthen your body's defenses against it. But the benefits don't stop there. Early research suggests that pomegranate juice may help stimulate the regeneration of neurons in the brain, boosting memory and cognitive function. This suggests a promising neuroprotective effect, making pomegranate juice an invaluable ally for maintaining nerve health. Beyond nerve protection, it also offers a variety of other health advantages. Its anti-inflammatory properties can aid in lowering blood pressure and potentially inhibit cancer cell growth. Moreover, it's rich in vitamin C, supporting your immune system and collagen production. When it comes to consumption, one glass, approximately 8 ounces, of pomegranate juice a day is a good starting point. However, since pomegranate juice is high in natural sugars, it's best to enjoy it in moderation. Let's not forget the creative ways you can incorporate pomegranate juice into your daily meals. The rich, sweet tart taste makes for a wonderful base for a salad dressing when combined with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and a drizzle of honey. For a cool, refreshing treat, you could freeze pomegranate juice into ice cubes or popsicles. If you're looking for a morning boost, try blending it into your smoothie or simply add a splash to sparkling water for a light, fizzy drink. To wrap things up, the humble pomegranate presents a treasure trove of benefits for your nerve health. Its vibrant juice is not only a pleasure to the senses, but also a powerful source of antioxidants and nutrients that support the well-being of your nervous system. So, sip your way to health, savoring the robust and exotic flavor of pomegranate juice. With every sip, you're moving closer to stronger, healthier nerves. Our exploration of nerve-boosting drinks continues with the delightful blueberry smoothie. Adorned in its rich blue hue, this smoothie is not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a powerhouse for your nerve health. The antioxidants responsible for the blueberry's vibrant color work tirelessly to fight oxidative stress, a major factor in nerve damage. These antioxidants safeguard nerve cells from harmful free radicals, supporting both the maintenance and repair of your nerves. Studies have even demonstrated that blueberries can enhance neuronal signaling and encourage neurogenesis, promoting the growth and development of nervous tissue. Beyond its contributions to nerve health, the blueberry is loaded with vitamins C and K, fiber, and a host of other nutrients, all of which support the overall health of your nervous system. But the benefits don't stop there. Blueberries are also recognized for their ability to improve heart health, enhance skin vitality, aid digestion, boost cognitive function, and promote eye health. In essence, the blueberry smoothie isn't just a tasty treat, it's a well-rounded health boost. For a standard serving, using about 1 cup of fresh blueberries strikes a perfect balance between enjoying the benefits and keeping sugar and calories in check. To elevate your smoothie, think about combining blueberries with other fruits like bananas or strawberries for a flavor explosion. For a smoother, richer texture, incorporate Greek yogurt or almond milk. If you're looking for a little sweetness or spice, try adding a drizzle of honey or a pinch of cinnamon. Ultimately, the blueberry smoothie is a perfect blend of deliciousness and nourishment. Its deep blue color reflects the depth of health benefits it brings, making it not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a powerful elixir for your nerve health. So go ahead, blend it up, and savor every sip as you toast to healthier, happier nerves. As we wrap up our exploration of nerve-boosting drinks, we come to the timeless lemon ginger tea. This refreshing and zesty blend not only awakens the senses, but also plays a significant role in enhancing nerve health. Ginger, with its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory qualities, works wonders for protecting nerves. The key compound, gingerol, helps fight oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 major contributors to nerve damage. On the other hand, lemons bring a burst of tartness and a wealth of nutrients to the mix. Packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant that combats oxidative stress, lemons also support collagen production, which is crucial for maintaining nerve structure. Beyond its nerve-enhancing effects, lemon ginger tea offers additional health perks, such as aiding digestion, boosting immunity, promoting skin health, and potentially supporting weight management. Lemon ginger tea is a delightful and soothing drink that offers both comfort and a range of health benefits, particularly for nerve health. The combination of ginger's potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and the vitamin C-rich lemons creates a powerful duo that helps protect and nourish your nerves. Gingerol, the active compound in ginger, combats oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can contribute to nerve damage. Meanwhile, the vitamin C in lemons plays a vital role in collagen production, supporting the structure of your nerves. Beyond nerve health, this invigorating tea can help with digestion, immunity, and skin health, making it an all-around wellness drink. Plus, the warmth and soothing aroma of lemon ginger tea promote relaxation and stress relief, making it a perfect beverage for both physical and mental well-being. Aim for 1 to 2 cups a day, adjusting based on your personal preference and tolerance. For an added twist, try sweetening your tea with honey, stevia, or agave nectar, or experiment with mint leaves and turmeric for extra flavor and benefits. You can even freeze it into ice cubes for a refreshing summer treat, or use it as a base for a savory soup or broth. In every sip, you're not just nurturing your taste buds, but also fortifying your nerves for a healthier, more resilient body. From the calming aroma of green tea to the lively, zesty lemon ginger infusion, each of these beverages highlights the incredible ways nature can boost our health. Picture yourself sipping on the rich, tangy pomegranate juice, the bright blueberry smoothie, or the nutrient-packed spinach and kale smoothie, all while knowing each drink is a step toward nurturing your nerve health. These drinks aren't just refreshments, they're powerful wellness tools, full of nutrients crafted to defend and heal your nerves. Turn your kitchen into a creative space where you mix vibrant fruits, vegetables, herbs, and roots, each ingredient contributing to your overall health masterpiece. As you experiment with these delicious concoctions, remember that the process of making these drinks is just as enriching for your spirit as the drinks are for your body. Ultimately, the journey to better nerve health is both a path of nourishment and a chance for discovery. Here's to a more vibrant, healthy you, one refreshing drink at a time. Keep experimenting, keep discovering, and most importantly, keep feeding your body and mind. Thanks for joining us as we explored these nerve-boosting drinks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who could benefit from it. We look forward to seeing you on our next journey into health and wellness. Until then, stay healthy, drink plenty of water, and care for your nerves.